Hello, welcome to the Great Garden channel. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you watch your plant getting worse day by day but don't know what to do? The leaves start turning yellow and drooping, the roots gradually weaken, and you begin to think that maybe the plant can no longer be saved. In this video, I will share with you an extremely simple orchid care method, low cost, using only ingredients available in your kitchen, even parts that are usually thrown away. But the surprising thing is, when applied correctly, the plant can recover strongly. New roots grow white and healthy. The leaves gradually turn green again, become upright and shinier, and the plant may even bloom again, bringing a completely new vitality. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss useful tips on planting, caring for, and propagating plants on the Great Garden channel. Let's get started. Do you have potatoes at home? This is a potato I left in the corner for quite a long time, to the point that it has started sprouting. Normally, when potatoes sprout, many people think about throwing them away. But don't rush to put them in the trash, because these seemingly waste potatoes actually contain many natural nutrients that can be used to support plant growth, stimulate roots, and help plants recover better. First, use a peeler like this and peel off the potato skin. You should peel a thin layer to retain as many natural nutrients in the skin as possible. Potato skins contain many minerals and beneficial organic compounds that help nourish the microbial system around the roots, thereby supporting the plant's recovery and growth. In addition, these nutrients also help improve the root environment, making it easier for roots to absorb nutrients. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language, comment below, and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Don't throw away the flesh of the potato yet. We will use it at the end of the video. Next step, prepare a blender. Put all the potato peels into the blender. The next ingredient I use is ginger. Ginger contains many natural compounds with mild antibacterial and antifungal properties, helping to clean the environment around the roots and limit the growth of harmful bacteria. Use a knife to slice the ginger into small pieces as shown in the video. Cutting it into small pieces increases the surface area, allowing the active compounds in ginger to be extracted into the water more easily. As a result, the solution will be more concentrated and effective when used for plants. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. Next, add all the sliced ginger into the blender with the potato peels. Add 500 milliliters of clean water at room temperature and blend thoroughly. You should blend the ginger as finely as possible. Blending breaks down the structure of the ginger, allowing the active compounds to be released and dissolved into the solution more easily. As a result, the solution becomes richer in nutrients and more effective for plant use. After blending, we will have a potato and ginger solution like this. Use a strainer to completely remove the residue, keeping only the clear liquid without any sediment. Filtering thoroughly makes the solution cleaner, prevents clogging the roots or leaving residue on leaves, thereby improving absorption efficiency and making it safer for the plant. Finally, add 1 liter of clean water to dilute the solution. That's it. We now have a mixed solution for the plant. Method 1. Pour the ginger and potato peel solution into a clean cup. Then use a cotton pad or soft cloth to soak up the solution and gently wipe the entire orchid, including the top and underside of the leaves as well as the stem. This wiping method allows the solution to come into direct contact with the leaf surface, removing dust and long-standing residue while cleaning gently without harming the plant. Thanks to the combination of minerals from potato peels and the mild antibacterial properties of ginger, the leaf surface is naturally cleaned, and the environment around the plant becomes more ventilated. When used correctly, this method also helps improve resistance and supports the plant in maintaining stable and healthy growth over time. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. Method 2. Next, pour the ginger and potato peel solution into a basin of clean water. Then add 3 to 5 ice cubes to help cool the solution, creating a slightly cool environment for the roots, especially suitable in hot weather. At the same time, cool water helps the roots relax, reduces shock, and increases the ability to absorb nutrients gradually and more steadily. After that, place the plant into the basin and soak for about 15 minutes. During this time, the roots will gradually absorb water and nutrients from below in a natural way, helping the plant absorb steadily without shock. At the same time, the evenly provided moisture softens the roots and stimulates recovery and healthier growth. Do the same for the remaining plants in your garden. Applying it consistently will help all plants receive the same care conditions, allowing them to grow more evenly, develop stronger roots, and reduce uneven recovery. For the remaining solution, I will pour it into a clean bottle and store it in the refrigerator. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. You can keep it for about 3 to 5 days. When needed, simply take it out. Pour it into a spray bottle or clean cup, and spray or wipe the leaves as usual. This method saves preparation time while still maintaining the solution's effectiveness. You can also use this solution for many different types of plants. Here, I will spray it on a lily plant. Spraying this solution helps clean the leaf surface, provide a small amount of natural nutrients, and support the reduction of fungi and bacteria. As a result, the leaves become greener, stronger, and the plant grows more stable and healthier over time. Method 3. Do you still have the potato flesh from earlier? Slice it into thin pieces as shown in the video, handling gently so the slices do not break. Potatoes contain starch and natural compounds that can attract insects. Therefore, I will place these potato slices on the surface of the plant pot and leave them overnight. The natural smell of potatoes will attract harmful insects, making it easier for you to control and remove them without using chemicals. After one night, you will see many insects attracted and gathered on the potato slices. At this point, you can easily collect and remove them, significantly reducing pests without using chemicals. Remove the potato slices from the pot and throw them in the trash. This helps eliminate both the potato pieces and the attracted insects, quickly and safely reducing the pest source in the pot. Result: after about 2 months of applying the potato and ginger method, the orchid shows clear positive changes. The leaves become darker green, thicker, and develop a natural shine. New leaves grow evenly and strongly, helping the plant maintain stable photosynthesis and better growth. The root system also recovers significantly, with many new healthy white roots appearing, green root tips, and strong attachment to the growing medium. This shows that the root environment has become cleaner, more ventilated, and supports more effective nutrient absorption. Not only that, shoots and flower spikes develop evenly, and the plant becomes sturdier. More buds form, round and healthy. When blooming, they retain color well and last longer, creating a durable and natural beauty for the orchid pot. What do you think about this potato and ginger care method? Have you ever tried applying it to your plants? Share your experience in the comments. When cared for properly, the plant will gradually recover and grow strongly, bringing stable and long-lasting beauty. If you find this content helpful, don't forget to support the Great Garden channel to follow more simple yet effective plant care methods. See you again in the next videos.